Welcome to Just Jeannie. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy DIY fall wreath. All you need are some items from your local craft store like a grapevine wreath, florals of your choice, and ribbon. I don't use a hot glue gun at all of this. All I do is I actually just layer my ribbon, two different sizes, and I tuck the ribbon like in between vines so the ribbon stays, intact. I don't use glue guns typically, and for me, I am not a great bow maker. So what I do, I just make single or double loops and just place them in between the vines to secure them. That way I don't have to make bows, and I get this really kind of pretty fluffy bow-like effect. Once the tucking and fluffing is done, sometimes I have to add more items. I just look at it and go, wow, it's done. And I'm ready to hang it on my door. Follow me on IG at Jeannie Jacobs and follow my blog.